So guys, this is my first one take video. And now, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arifin Ilham. I'm from Tangerang and I'm studying in Universitas Pamulang. Okay, so I want to tell you to learn English from Pak Rahman. And thank you for listening. Okay, I will share storytelling a little about my activities beside work and college, right? Every weekend, I'm also attend live music at a coffee shop because music has been my hobby since I was little. Yeah. When I was still in elementary school and was 7 years old, my father would always play the Beatles songs before taking me to school. Jadi dulu bokap saya itu sering nyetel lagu Beatles sebelum saya berangkat sekolah. Besides that, I'm also like Indonesian music songs as maybe John 19, Slang, and other legendary band. Maybe for bands in the current era itu, Gen Z era itu. Era sekarang mungkin ada Fish, India, Morphin, and many more. I listen to all genre. Saya mendengarkan semua genre. I want to tell a little story about the formation of my band and our journey during our 2 years career. Selama kurang lebih 2 tahun ya, aku mau share sedikit tentang terbentuknya band kita gitu, yang bernama Recognition. Tapi dulu masih Serikiawan ya. At first we were just friends who had known each other since years old gitu. Kita dulu itu sebenarnya kayak cuma sekedar teman kecil, teman komplek biasa gitu, yang akhirnya membentuk sebuah band. Tapi cerita panjang nih, lumayan lah. The first one in my guitarist, he happens to be friend I met when I was umur 10 years old. Her name is Wafi. Her my guitarist, gitaris saya. Moving on to my drummer and vocalist in pertengahan gitu, in mid 2023, we accidentally meet at a cafe. Jadi pertengahan 2023 itu awal terbentuknya, awal kita mulai merancang sebuah band gitu. When I was having fun at a cafe with my drummer, jadi saw someone I knew named Wafi lagi nyanyi gitu di sebuah cafe sama kebetulan sama vokalisku. Jadi dulu itu aku sama drummerku sendiri lagi nongkrong dan ketemu Wafi lagi nyanyi di cafe. After that, I just went to forward to sing along. Then the vocalist name is Ibnu. Dia lagi main sama Ibnu. Start to be interested in the way played the guitars while singing. Jadi saat itu aku maju ke depan iseng buat nyanyi. Ya. Terus si Ibnu sama vokalis aku itu terkesima gitu, tertarik kayak ini cocok nih, boleh nih rekrut nih, kebetulan masih berdua gitu ya. And after closing we chat for a while, diskusi that dari, and I wanted to be recruit by them gitu. Kayak lo punya kesibukan apa sih? Kayak kalau senggang gitu ikut yuk. Terus kebetulan aku sama Derry juga punya basic di musik. We talked the further all aduh, and thinking we right to join them, kita langsung direkrut. Das, the has passed until now, even though there's have been argument between us, we still spend each day together. Tanpa basa-basi, kita langsung join aja gitu, karena kita juga masih senang. Karena di pertengahan 2023 itu posisi aku masih PKL. Jadi banyak waktu senggang, karena aku PKL juga jadi tim branding. Jadi banyak waktu senggang. And I'm free to live music. Masih, boleh nih nyoba-nyoba, excited gitu. Previously, we only played in the cafe, relying on tips from the audience. Itu dulu parah sih. Awal-awal kita berkarir gitu, dulu kita cuma dibayar sama saweran dari penonton aja gitu, nggak dibayar sama kafenya. Mungkin baru merintis juga, karena belum masih belum berapa gitu. Now thanks God, we can play in formal place and get in the quit and lap gitu. Alhamdulillah sampai sekarang kita udah dibayar yang lumayan buat jajan sehari-hari. Kita masih 100.000, 200.000 per kepala ya, per band tuh bisa 500.000 kalau sekarang. Kita main cuma berapa sih, 3 jam doang. And up to this point, we want to get our bands through to music even in South Tangerang. And hopefully the career of this recognition band, I will until in the eyes for the world know who we are gitu. Kita pengen menunjukkan ke semua orang di dunia ini siapa sih recognition ini. Ya, bismillah, semoga jalannya bagus. Even during these 2 years, we have often changed personil. Jadi selama kurang lebih 2 tahun, kita itu sering banget gonta-ganti personil. Karena mungkin ada emosional dan sikap yang gak bisa kita tahan. Sikap emosional gak bisa kita tahan, akhirnya kita berantem. Tapi we are. But we will have finally we meet and kita tuh jatuh lagi gitu, sampai kita tuh nyatu lagi setelah pertengkaran drama kurang lebih waktu itu 4 bulan kita bulan berlalu kita akhirnya bersatu lagi, alhamdulillahnya gitu ya. Maybe that's point is a short story about our bands which was format from chilled out friends. Ini itu aja sih, sedikit cerita singkat dari terbentuknya band kita gitu. Ya semoga jalan ke depannya juga Innovation maju terus. And thank you for listening. Udah, thank you. Makasih.